Take a ride in the 2017 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.